In this video, we will explore how to use transition in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Open your Microsoft PowerPoint and here I'm going to apply the transition on the slides. So I select the first slides, then go to the transition tabs, and here you can see the transition to these slides. So select a slide, the transition will apply when you select any transition here. Just click on this arrow, you can see here the three group of transitions available. The first one is a subtle, second one is exciting, third one is a dynamic content. You can see the difference of this group. I just use the first subtle option here, so I select the here the second one and you can see the changes on. I use here the push, you can see the split, you can see the cut, see the changes shape. So these are the effects on transition on subtle group. When I use the exciting, then click on I just fall over, you can see here the fall over, see changes on your wind, fracture, crush. Oh, these are also so nice. Next, in dynamic content, I just click on the rotate, see window, orbit, fly through, see the changes. So these are the transition available in Microsoft PowerPoint. So you can apply on your presentation to showing the highlight your presentation with your members, with your employees. Okay, so hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.